we have arrived at section 4.5 of chapter 4, factorization by grouping. At first sight, this may seem like something convoluted and complicated, but actually it's really fun and really simple when you know what you're doing, right? So I'm going to just deliberately skip everything on page 109 and go straight to example 14. We're gonna do B. Look through A by yourselves, please. So let's write it down. 49A minus, no, excuse me, 49A plus 42C minus 7AY minus 6CY, right? So here, usually we're looking for a common factor to take outside the parentheses, but in this expression, not all of the numbers have a common factor, like 6 and 49 do not have common factors together outside of 1, right? So what we have to do in these cases is we will factor things out in steps. So we'll consider these as almost like as two separate expressions, right? Let's focus on the first one at first, right? So we've got 49A and 42C, all right? 49 and 42, if we factor them out, we will really see that there's a bunch of factors here until we get to number 7, and then etc., 21 and 42, right? So just trust me that the greatest common factor between these two is 7. So 7 it is. Okay, make it cleaner. We'll take 7 outside the parentheses. The variables are different, right? So they're not being taken out. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Then we take down the A, plus 42 divided by 7 is 6, and then of course the C, and we close parentheses. Now we do have to continue with our second expression here, and it does begin with a minus sign. So we are going to take out the minus sign, and then what is a common factor between negative 7AY and negative 6CY? All right, hopefully you saw it. It's negative Y, right? So we open parentheses, and then we get negative 7AY, you can even write it out like this, divided by negative Y. This one gets taken out, and this one gets taken out, right? So inside the parentheses is 7A. Okay, and now the second term here, a negative 6CY divided by negative Y outside the parentheses here. And once again, the minus sign disappears and the Y disappears, and we get plus 6C, right? And here, if we look carefully, we will notice something amazing. Look at this. Look at this. They're exactly the same. Isn't that great? Okay, so your final expression here is going to be, we'll take out this expression as a common factor, right? And then all we have left is 7 minus Y. And here we go. Now, let's say you did it differently. Let's say you took the same expression, and this is not something that you need to really worry about. I just wanted to show you how well this works in different sort of executions, right? So, okay, just sort of humor me. Because when I first looked at this expression, I singled out 49a and negative 7ay. So I rewrote it like this. 49a minus 7ay plus 42c minus 6cy. It seemed to have made a little more sense to me, right? Just visually speaking. And it's easier because then you're not dealing with negative signs outside the parentheses. I mean, not that it's hard. But in this expression, the common factor is both 7 and a, right? So we take out 7a, right? 49a divided by 7a is 7, right? And then negative 7ay divided by 7a gets negative y, right? Okay, let's keep going. Plus, in this expression here, of course, we're going to take out 6, right? But we also have, these two terms have c in common. So c comes outside of the parentheses. 42c divided by 6c equals 7, right? And then negative 6cy divided by 6c equals negative y. And we will close parentheses. And what do we get? All right, so let's simplify that. Let's go 7 minus y. And then here we have 7a plus 6c. Ta-da! Now look at this. Magic. You get the same exact expression if you manipulate your terms carefully and make sure to preserve the appropriate signs, right? Okay, very good.